Ever wondered what makes polar bears so fascinating? Let's dive in. Did you know polar bears have black skin under all that white fur? Yup, it helps them soak up the sun's warmth. And get this, so they can swim for days. One bear swam over 400 miles. Talk about endurance. Polar bears don't just eat fish. They mainly hunt seals, which are like their gourmet meal. Bon appetit. Their sense of smell is incredible. They can sniff out a seal from a mile away. Imagine smelling your dinner from that far. Lastly, polar bear cubs are born in dens made of snow. Talk about a chilly nursery. So next time you think it's cold outside, remember these Arctic superstars. Stay cool, folks.